Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and important guide on how to prevent camera access on LinkedIn. Whether you're protecting your privacy or just want tighter control over your app permissions, this simple step-by-step process will help you do it in just a few minutes. Let's begin. First, grab your phone and open your settings. This is where all your app controls and privacy preferences live, and it's the main place to manage what each app can access on your device. Next, scroll down until you find the section called Apps. On some phones, it might be labeled App Management or Applications, but they all do the same thing. Tap to open it. Now, look through your list of installed apps and find LinkedIn. Once you see it, tap on it to open the app's details page. This page gives you several options, including storage use, notifications, mobile data, and most importantly, permissions. Once you're inside the LinkedIn app settings, tap on Permissions. This is the key area where you control what LinkedIn can or can't access on your phone, like your camera, microphone, contacts, and more. From here, locate the camera option and tap on it. You'll see a few options, including Allow, Ask Every Time, and Don't Allow. To stop LinkedIn from using your camera completely, select Don't Allow. And that's it. You've successfully disabled LinkedIn's camera access. From now on, even if you open the camera feature inside the LinkedIn app, it won't be able to use your phone's camera unless you decide to change the setting again. Taking control of your app permissions is one of the best ways to keep your personal data safe and maintain your privacy online. By following these steps, you've just added an extra layer of protection to your account and your device. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to check your other apps too sometimes. They have similar permissions that you might want to review as well. Small changes like these go a long way in keeping your digital life more secure.